Alright, I'm pretty sure we're live right now. So, but we are gonna trade the live market again today. Yesterday we got smoked. We lost 20 G's. And, what's it called? I'm gonna try to actually make a good trade today. Let's see. Let's check out some of these. I'm looking at a liquidity sweep here. So I'm looking, I'm looking for longs. Okay, we got S&P 500. Nasdaq. How's the Nasdaq looking? I think we're gonna be looking for, here's our liquidity sweep. What else we got? Let's just do this. Here's our liquidity sweep right here. Boom. It literally just smacked it. I mean, this is a liquidity sweep if I've ever seen one. That's definitely a liquidity sweep right there. Let's do the 1 hour here. The 1 minute before, we do a 5 minute here. I'm gonna go liquidity sweep here as well. Huh. Yeah, no, S&P 500. I think I'm gonna go for a fucking long here. Let's target our London session low, London session high. What the fuck is this low at? I wanna hit this one. London session high, London session low. Let's look to go long. So, what I fucked up yesterday, we're looking for a reason to trade. Looking for a reason not to trade. So we're looking for a setup. We're not looking for just any reason to trade. So if we do see a setup, then we're gonna trade. Not like yesterday, I was kind of just looking for a reason to trade. So fair value gap, the candlestick cannot close inside of our box, but an inverse fair value gap can. Where are we at here? So here's our inverse bearish, bullish, bearish. Oh, see, so rallying up, boom, closes below it. Fair value gap, inverse fair value gap. And this is flipped. Because if this was just touching in it, then yeah, it would fucking go up. But this is inverse fair value gap right here, yeah, because it closed below. And it actually went opposite, so. Yeah. Inverse fair value gap, okay. And that's something I didn't know. That's something I didn't know yesterday, and it was like a clear indication. So, I messed up. Inverse fair value gap. Alright, we're in. Fuck, is this shit like lagging behind or something? Seems like it. Why is this behind? Why is this at 820? Fuck's going on here? Am I tweaking? Okay, we're in on here. So here's our S&P 500. These are low, just smoked it. I was gonna say, do we have a fair value gap right off the rip? I guess not. Yeah, let's set our targets real quick. I don't get why this one is lagging behind a couple minutes, but okay. Anyway. Oh, we're gonna have a fair value gap over here. This is sure shit 101. Oh. There's a low. Oh, here we go. Where's my shit at? Here we go. Oh damn, well that just got smoked. Oh no, it didn't. Let's see, S&P 500. What we got here? We don't really have a setup for the S&P 500 here, so I don't even know why I'm wasting my time looking at it. Very much going on. Yeah, so this isn't even worth looking at, to be honest. This one we could throw out. There's no setup here. Like I said before, I'm not looking for a reason to trade. I'm looking for a setup to trade. So we're gonna throw that one out. And we're gonna go back into this guy here. And for some reason it's behind. How long you been trading? About 2 weeks now. Just about. You can look at my channel. I think I got about like 18 hours into trading, so not very much, to be honest with you. But I have a purple line here. About like 20 hours or so into trading, give or take. Why is this behind? Why are futures behind? Oh, it's $10 behind. It's 10 minutes behind because there's a what's it called? You have to pay for the premium version. So I've been at it for plus minus 6 months and I'm yet to be profitable. Yeah, this shit's hard, bro. I mean, any business, this trading is gonna be difficult. It's not gonna be easy, you know. So I mean, yeah, it's gonna take a while, bro. Anything worth doing is gonna take a while. I'm fucking down like 25 grand or some shit because it's just a paper account, but at the same time it's like I'm learning. Like I'm new into this. It's 20 hours of trading. That's nothing, bro. Like 6 months. 6 months trading. Like how often do you trade? You trade every single day? You trade like couple hours a day? What's your schedule looking like? Okay, so that's weird. So it's now 8:40 for me, and I'm just getting my first candle into New York. So this is 10 minutes delayed. Was in high school last year, so I traded on the weekends. Okay. Yeah, it's hard, bro. I don't know. I like it. It's something I always wanted to get into, so I'm gonna try to stick with it as best as I can. Let's see if we got any setups going on here. I'm gonna just train on here, so in the meantime, while we wait for the other chart to load up and shit. Let's do one of these. So the reason I want to go in here, there is no setup here. I'm just gonna do what I know. So since it did dip in, I'm going to predict it's gonna go up because it's an inverse fair value gap right here. See, here's our fair value gap. If it would have stayed, oh no, I fucking closed into it. If it would have tipped in, this one closes, sealed the deal. So we're gonna, as soon as we get a green candlestick, which like my biggest one came in November. It was $90 from a $20 deposit. Not bad, bro. That's good. Hey, any profit's good, bro. Any profit's good. You know. pretty decent, bro. Let's see, we got a break of structure or what? I'll leave a sub for next time you're live. Bet, bro, yeah. I'll be live. I'm gonna try to go live every day, to be honest. If I don't go live, I'm gonna be posting my normal content. Trading is something I'm gonna definitely spend more time into. So yeah, if you like this content, bro, definitely subscribe and pop in every once in a while, bro. We'll see if I can become profitable, you know? That's the plan here. Yeah, no setup here. And in Q. No, there's no setup here. This is just like a for fun type deal here. To see what happens. Damn, can we get a fucking fair value gap in here or what? She's just not giving us a setup. Get your ass back up. Go back up, motherfucker. It's an info line. Regression trend. Oh, here's the fucking rectangle, bro. I was waiting for that shit. Oh, that shit's like purple. Alright, here's our fair value gap. Boom. I didn't know that we had the stupid square here. I was using the Gann box for the longest time. But here we go. We got a setup going nicely. Okay. Is there 5 minute? Is there 15 minute? Permanent low. Still chilling, I think. Alright, here we go. Forgot that we have fucking shit capital now. We got like 70 grand. Let's see. So, if we have a fair value gap, let's see if we have a fair value gap or inverse fair value gap first of all. So we're looking to go long. We will see about that. So since we have 70 G's now, our stop loss is going to be a little bit less. So 69,000 actually. Equals 2,070, or that's 3%, or 69. Or 1,035 at 1.5%. Alright, let's get a fucking setup going here. This ain't no gap. Here's a gap. Is that a gap? No. It's definitely not a gap. Come on, touch into there. Just touch into there. Oh shit. Don't close below that box. Oh, you motherfucker. Oh shit. Yeah, it's gonna go short. It's an inverse fair value gap right there. That is a inverse fair value gap if I ever fucking seen one. Alright. Wait a minute, did it touch into it? Is this still valid? If this thing closes, we're cooked. But if it doesn't, we're okay. It might just juke us out real quick. So this might still be a fair value gap. It's coming back up a little bit. Yeah, we got 10 seconds. Oh no, there's no way it ain't closing. That's a break of structure right there, confirmation. I'm gonna go short. Why is it going back up now? That is so odd. Okay. I guess we're just fucking paper trading for real. We'll just do a short position. Target our previous lows. Won't be stopped out. Fucking previous high. That's why I couldn't put paper trades on here. Is because of the 10-minute delay, so that makes sense. So I think it's gonna ban off that. Get London session low. Well. Let's see, take our take profit. Oh, you fucker. Hit that line in session low.
Get real-time data for the ES and the NQ, the S&P 500 and the Nasdaq. It's for the futures. So usually on the trading view we have it, but it still is delayed. Okay, I bought the new data, so now it's not delayed. As you can see, 8:49, and I have the time. It's 2:49 right now. my timing, so it's the same. But usually it's 10 minutes delayed. Okay. So how to buy the new data, the real data? Usually in forex you don't need that, but you need that just for the futures and the indices. So you open TradingView, you go to products, you go to pricing. This pricing, you need to have a plan in order to buy the real data. You cannot buy it without having a plan. Okay, any plan could work, doesn't matter which one. Okay, so I have this plan, works for me. If you keep going lower, you can see here we provide real-time data for free whenever we're allowed. However, some data is delayed due to specific exchange regulations. Because of this, real-time data must be purchased separately
Oh, what the fuck?
using the page below. US stock market data is real-time and provided by this supplier. Okay, so we have the option to have it like that, which is real data, but it's not the
Damn.
same. I can show you actually if you want. Okay, guys.
So you have to
So
buy.
this is from the free version on TradingView, and this is the real-time data. Okay, as you can see, E-mini S&P futures, and here the S&P index.
Damn.
So look at the difference. Okay, look at this candle. Look at this candle. It's the S&P. This is the S&P. Okay, this is blue. This is blue. This is black. So come on, you can see the difference. Okay, so they are not exactly the same. The ones that are provided for free. That's why it's better to buy the real-time data. How you do it is you come here.
You have to fucking get a subscription. You have to get a monthly subscription. Oh, we got cooked here. Look at this shit. Didn't even touch down here. But we're looking for longs, so I would have gotten cooked again. Here's the trade. But anyway, so this is 10 minutes delayed. This whole chart. And in order to get the real-time data, you have to buy a plan first, a pro plan on TradingView, and then you have to pay monthly for each individual one, like this S&P 500 future and the NASDAQ future. You're gonna have to pay. Like, what the fuck? That's crazy. Like, I'm just paper trading low-key, but like, am I gonna have to pay to actually get real-time data? Oh shit, we're coming back down. It might hit our stop loss and then we could cash out.
Markets, and you want to take this CME group, E-mini included. Okay, you get this for $5 per month, which is great price. And once you purchase it, you press here next, so you can press it. It's not this one, it's this one, but I already have it. And then you press next, and you buy it, and then you upgrade it immediately, and you have real-time data. I hope this video helps some people.
Damn, that's fucking gay. So we'll see. I think for now I'm gonna wait. I'm not gonna buy shit. I'm gonna wait till I become profitable, at least like a little bit. And from there, then I'll buy the real-time data. But I don't need real-time data. Like, 10 minutes behind is fine. You know, that's fine to me. I don't need it that bad. But the only thing that sucks is we can't take real-time trades. That's the only thing that kind of sucks. We can get stopped out. What's the inverse for value gap? Oh, it's for value gap right there. Boom. It's gonna rock it up. I think we should have taken our take profit. It's easy to say now. Could have ripped the trade up to here. Where's my indicator now? So this would have been a wait for confirmation. Boom. Could rip up. The fuck is this? A magnet? The fuck is that? So I don't know where my stop loss would be. I don't know if it would have got smacked already or not. It's weird because we had a fair value gap here that turned into inverse fair value gap. And then we have another fair value gap that's valid. It's going to continue ripping up. Where would I have taken my take profit though? Could have done here. Could have done here. So it did touch this. We could have closed it out here. It's easy to say now, of course. Now we're just ripping. Oh, that's why. How do we target these previous highs? Which it did just smack right now. Yeah, I think we're about to get stopped out. Yeah, we're about to get stopped the fuck out right here. So I think what we fucked up with here is sticking with the plan, because we see a liquidity sweep here, and then all of a sudden we see, boom, inverse fair value gap, switch to a short. Yeah, we just got stopped out. Okay, we got stopped the fuck out. So I'm gonna take a picture of that. Luckily that wasn't a paper, like it wasn't like a real paper trade when I actually put this in, because I don't have the full plan. But basically we should have stuck to the whole idea of we're looking long, so this shouldn't have mattered. We should have just deleted this. And look at this. So we have a fair value gap that popped up here, right? Okay. Fair value gap popped up here. It's valid. So this we're not worried about. We're not looking for shorts. But then again, could have been valid. So yeah, green candles, boom. Got an inverse fair value gap here. Okay, or fair value gap, because it didn't close below it. So once we've seen that it didn't close below it, we're looking for right here, it broke structure. At this point, we could have taken our trade to go long right here. Okay, where's our take profit gonna be? Well, we could just say London session high, right? Just to be crazy. But realistically, let's look. Where do we have take profits? We have one here, which is very low. We have one here. Or we could just shoot for London session high. So why don't we do this? We'll do array. That is a take profit. And we'll take, we already know that that's a take profit. So, with that being said, what is our stop loss going to be? Well, our stop loss could be whatever, right? We could make it 3% of the account. What would be our stop loss? Previous low. I can make it previous low. Out of curiosity, I wonder if DJR is live. Be right back. fuck's going on over here? So this one never broke structure. Touched into it. Then after that it broke structure. Broke structure here. Get rid of this shit. I don't even know if I want to count this as a trade. I'm just kind of putting it together. Ay. This shit's fucking not working out. 2 days in a row. Put it inversed here. Wait a minute. Ah, it's very similar. No way, it stops me out again. Even on like a fucking late trade, let's like I set up basically back in time. Unless my take profit was wrong. You know? Damn. That's fucked. I don't think there's any news for today. Start looking for other setups in here, I guess. This inverse for Valley Gap as well. So after it closed out of it, which is right here, I looked for confirmation. Taking a trade here. But then it starts ripping back up. Fuck. Am I gonna need more training on this shit, low key? Or there's a mid tiny. Take a look at what other examples I can use. Let's see. Boom. Fair value gap rips up. Where would our take profit be? Because it just barely touched here. Could have targeted these highs. Boom. If we took our trade there, nah. Boom. We could have said here that left our take profit there. Since we've seen it fucking come down, could have closed it right here. Yeah. We'll see. That's another loss for today. I'm gonna count it, and this trade's just bouncing all over the place, so I'll call that one a loss too. I'm gonna have to go back to the video and see what other setups we could try out, and we could go from there. But I think I'm gonna call it for now. It's already been a good hour on the chart, and I'll be back. I skipped breakfast to get on here early, but we'll probably see. I'll probably be back on later. See what we could do. Yeah, we need more training. That's what, third or fourth paper trade. So I got smoked again today, 2 days in a row. We'll see what tomorrow brings. Tomorrow's Friday, so hopefully a good trade will come out of it. And that's gonna be it for today, as far as right now.